Welcome to the project demonstration of medicine reminder along with emergency calling system. So here in real time the main purpose of this project is if you want to inform to the person inside a home about his medicines, so morning, afternoon and evening medicines timings, so then this system making use of this RTC module to check the timings, and for every 6 hours in real time it will inform to the person through the buzzer till 20 seconds or 1 minute or 2 minutes. Based on the application we can change the timings, and in between that duration the person has to take his tablet and he need to press this clear switch. This indicates informing to the Arduino like the tablet was taken for the particular session, and if it is not happen, if we didn't press this clear switch, then the system will send a message alert to the same person or a relatives about his session medicine is not taken. And one more thing is there, if he press this call switch, then the system will make a call to the relatives or a father or a son about his emergency requirements. So before switching on this switch, you need to insert a valid SIM card into this GSM modem, and it should have the SMS balance and also or else main balance. Better to use Airtel or BSNL, don't use the Jio. And after inserting the SIM card, just give the power supply to the system and hold this switch, because we need to hold the Arduino till the GSM modem get the signal. We can observe one green light is blinking very fast. We can observe that now it is blinking slow down. Okay, so it's indicated it got the signal. Then only we need to allow the microcontroller to communicate with the GSM modem. So once the initial was done, then there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen and the timer got started. So for demonstration purpose, we are making a 90 seconds as a one session. So now the timer started. After 90 seconds it will give the morning medicine alert, and again next 90 seconds afternoon, like that. Next is evening. Okay, so in between this, if the person want to make a call, so just press the switch. Okay, so it will make a call to this number. So for demonstration we are stored up, right? So we are getting the call, right? You can disconnect that or else you can make a call to that. And just I'm pausing the video for 90 seconds of duration. Right, before better let me explain you in this before getting the 90 seconds completed. So we interface the RTC module to the Arduino at A4 and A5, but because A4 and A5 are the hardware I2C pins, and LCD module at 2 to 7 pins, and these two control buttons are interfaced at 10 and 9, and a buzzer interfaced at the 12th pin, and GSM modem at 8 and 9. So control buttons are 10 and 11. This is 12th, and GSM modem is 8 and 9. And also this is the breadboard. Just in order to distribute the 5 volts power supply in between all the modules, we interface this breadboard, and we are distributing the 5 volts power supply to this GSM buzzer and control switch and RTC module. And also from this adapting wire, so as we shown initially, that particular adapter will provide the 5 volts constant output, and the input of the adapter is going to be the 230 volts input voltage. Right. So now we got it. Alert, morning medicine. So if we didn't press this clear button, if you press that, the buzzer will be off and it will be cleared. If we didn't press the button till the 20 seconds of duration, then the system will receive the message alert. Means the particular guardian or a parent. Right. So we got the message alert, and also it will mention that the so-called session also. Right. The medicine was not taken by the person. Alert, you miss morning medicine. Like this. Same kind of medicine, same SMS will be sent to the person for like afternoon and evening also. So now just I'm showing the same for the morning medicine. When I restarted the microcontroller. So for morning medicine, if I press clear, then it's informing to the Arduino like we took the medicine. So in this manner it will be done for total remaining 3 sessions also. And now afternoon medicine after 90 seconds. Now I won't press the clear button, and now it will send the message alert. Right. you got the message. So email is the afternoon, right? Morning medicine and afternoon medicine. Thank you.